drilling. This is drilling machine. The drilling work is going on right now. So the pilot work is started already. This road will go through this and underground of this area in an inclined manner. See, it will go. So it's a non-destructive road crossing, otherwise any gap crossing type. And after that, in this pit, the pilot end will come out. I'm just standing here to show you how the pilot end will come out. Just wait how it's coming. See, this whole area we are just crossing from there to here and it will emerge out here, so that under through this area we can put the services like cable or something like that. Actually, for cables we are doing this one. So from there, this is a locator who is locating where it came, where the entry, where the head came right now. So he's just locating and he's checking that, confirming that as per drawing it's coming out, like it's going as per which the direction, the depth and everything. As per those requirements, it's coming or not, like that. This locator is checking. So that with this locating machine, it should be calibrated. It's already calibrated, and it's checking how much depth and in which direction it's as per drawing or not, like that is checking. And the pilot is coming from there to here, and it will emerge out here, this area, like a vast U shape. It will started there from, and it will come out here. It's already started, and it reached nearly the middle way, like only few meters left. So we all gave all the protections for other cables and other services, so it will not come and hit here. And side they gave the proper shoring. I will stand just in front of this one, so that we can clearly got the clear picture of this area. Not clear this. भाई हो गया, आने वाला है। So they are adding this bentonite, and this bentonite solution will help to make the hole in a rigid position. While coming out this pilot, this bentonite solution also will come out at the same time. It will make the hole in a rigid manner, or it will help to penetrate also. I think some kind of obstruction or something will be there. That's why it's not coming out. Otherwise, it will be coming so easily. Some kind of obstruction or some hard part of the soil or something will be there. That's why I think it's get stuck a little bit. So in the meantime, I can show you the drilling machine and that area. Just 1 minute. So most of the people knows this drilling machine and drilling everything, but few of them don't know regarding this. So for them only I am making this video, because before I also was unaware about these things. So this is a drilling machine, and he's the operator, and these are the roads, and these roads will penetrate through the other side. See, like it's rotating and penetrating. See, you can clearly see, and nearby the grease is there, and this is the bentonite mixer. This bentonite solution will go from here. This bentonite powder and water will mix into the bentonite mixture, and it will go directly to the drilling machine. Okay, these people are making this bentonite solution. They are mixing this bentonite powder with water, and through this one, this bentonite solution is going there. So this bentonite solution also will, see, bentonite is just coming out. Okay, so the same area, same part. See, it's just crossing under this one. It's a locator machine and locator and locating machine. It shows the direction how it's going, and also the depth how it's going, direction and depth, and so many other details have. If you need more details, sorry, I am not that much aware, you can Google it out about regarding this. If you want to go deep through regarding this locating machine and locator, I know this deep and direction it will show how much depth it's going, how much meters it's already completed, how much meters have to be completed, like that some details will be there. And this one is already calibrated, and calibrating certificate is also there with them. This locator is also a third party certified. This operator is also same. Operator and locator is same. क्या हो गया पास आता नहीं है?
लूज है, मच्छी पकड़ रहा है रॉड।
अच्छा ज़्यादा हार्ड है,
लूज है, लूज है।
लूज है। अच्छा 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 अच्छा। So they are telling the sand is so loose, so there is some kind of difficulty for them to penetrate. I don't know. Maybe if it in the loose sand, while if they are doing like this, maybe some kind of collapse or something can happen. That's the reason they are telling.
இதெல்லாம் இருக்கா இங்கே யூனிவர்சிட்டிலாம் இருக்கா?
तो 5 मिनट वेट करो, उसके बाद में स्टोर जाने का बोलते हैं, गन फूड लेके आने के लिए। ठीक है, मैं अभी आ रहा है, ये 5 मिनट इधर ही खड़ा है। So this is the foreman who is controlling this. So this is our area. Actually I thought that this video will complete it soon, but due to some obstructions or something, some issues, it's going out. That's the reason it's not moving. That's the reason the video is getting bit lengthy. Just stay with us so that we can see this completion. Just a few more minutes, just wait. So I don't like this video getting lengthy, so I will just pause. If it's not coming, I will just stop also. Okay, I'm just pausing. I don't want you people to get bored. Okay, just 1 minute. So they are telling that due to loose sand, what is happening? This loose sand, due to loose sand, this loose sand is getting collapsing down to this pilot. So the road is not moving. This loose sand is getting loosen up while drilling, so it's not moving forward due to the collapse, due to the soil collapse over the road. So it's getting like hard, so it's not moving. So this is the reason they are telling. That's the reason it's just got stopped. So I don't know whether they will complete it today or within a few minutes or few hours, or that I'm not sure, because we cannot predict within how much time it will get complete. This is a problem we face in this HDD. Maybe in meantime something can happen, something may happen and it may get stuck or something like that. So we are just keeping this video on, and how long we can stay, it's not good. That's the reason maybe I will just stop here. Yeah, I think it's getting moved. It's moving, I think. I don't know. So again I am telling, so many people know about this, so many people know all those things. Only few people don't know regarding this one, like me, who was before. Like, so for those few people I am just making this video. So I don't know how good this one. If it's good, yeah, you can see and share and give us a like. give me a like and just subscribe so that I will get motivated to do more videos. It's not good, just dislike and ignore. Okay. உங்களை போகிறேன் எங்கே வா உங்கள் மூஞ்சா foreman வாங்க our foreman big foreman आ जाओ I think it's moving. These are the two foremen. They are acting like supervisors, but they are the both foremen who work so many years. So actually they are not the drilling foremen, they are the root foremen both. And these all are the drilling team. They are another subcontractors, and they are just came here only for these HDD works. Our people are there for route, the wall route. For our route, these people, these subcontract people are doing this HDD, horizontal directional drilling, HDD. ये ड्रिलिंग का है ना, ड्रिलिंग का काम निकाल के वो यूट्यूब में भी डालेगा ना, फिर बहुत आदमी को ड्रिलिंग का काम पता चलेगा, ऐसे ड्रिलिंग का काम हो रहा है।
अच्छा है।
हाँ,
आप यूट्यूब डालते हैं?
यूट्यूब में कभी भी डालता है ना। हाँ, उसके लिए निकाल, इसके लिए आपको पता होता है, बिना परमिशन से नहीं लेने का ना।
अम्ब्रेला के साथ में।
हाँ बस सही है।
डालो, हम चेक करेगा शाम को।
हाँ सही है, मैं आपको दिखाएगा कौन सा वाला है। So I just moving forward through this wireless phone. They are just contacting with this operator. So how actually this locator is the one who is controlling all the works. Locator is the one who is giving direction, who is telling how to do, how much fast they have to do, how much slow, how much way they have to do. So this is the locator who is controlling the whole work. And the operator is just getting the direction from the locator, and he's just making it move. So from my request, I think I told them I'm not taking these videos for my company purpose. It's just my personal purpose. Otherwise they think that how these things are just coming out, how much. So I told them that I am not taking it for any company purpose. I am just taking it for my personal purpose, for putting it just uploading it in the YouTube. So just I agree. They told that show our face also. They are very happy actually. So I think this is one of the reason it's just moving forward. Otherwise I am not telling anything else, so some people can understand. It's some kind of confidential also. So as my personal request, this road is moving. Otherwise the road may not move. Maybe it will stuck, it will have some issues, and so many other problems will be have. I told that it's my personal video. That's the reason I think it's just moving forward. So see, it's too hot here, that's why they are keeping this umbrella, because this first day after the summer of 2020. So one time too much fog was there. Now it's, see how much too much hot here, too much. The sun is showing his full power, and I am also getting sweating in a vast level. So just came here, just 1 or 2 meters away from the drilling bit. This pilot is coming. उधर पीछे जाके फिर चेक करने का क्या ज़रूरत क्या है?
इसमें दो और क्या होगा इसमें 3 पॉइंट है।
हाँ हाँ
एक फ्रंट पॉइंट,
हाँ ओके
एक पायलट पॉइंट,
ओके
एक बैक पॉइंट।
ओके
रमेश है, रमेश रमेश
अच्छा इसमें 3 पॉइंट होता है अच्छा
अभी हम लोग ये फ्रंट पॉइंट है, अभी हम लोग इधर रखा है।
अच्छा ठीक है
इसमें मालूम पड़ गया बॉल में
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है
ये बॉल आएगा आपका, ये फ्रंट पॉइंट है।
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है
अभी हम लोग इधर मार्क करेगा एक,
हाँ,
मतलब
सही है।
जरूरत पड़ेगा मार्क करेगा।
सही है
पूरा को मार्क करने की जरूरत नहीं,
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है
मतलब अपना पार्ट ये डायरेक्शन में आएगा।
डायरेक्शन में आएगा ठीक है
ओके, अपना पॉइंट अपना डायरेक्शन उधर है,
हाँ ठीक है
पोजीशन हम लोग इस तरफ है।
हाँ ठीक है
अगर हम लोग को पॉइंट लेके आने थोड़ा इस तरफ करने का, इस तरफ करने का,
हम देखे इसमें इस सबसे करेगा ओके
उसके बाद हम लोग एक पॉइंट इधर होएगा,
ठीक है
इससे पीछे जाएगा अपना पायलट पॉइंट आएगा।
ठीक
मतलब अपना रोड किधर है,
किधर है
वो point
वो पॉइंट आएगा अच्छा ठीक
उसके
है
बाद पीछे जाएगा हम लोग बस
नेक्स्ट
जाके उसको बैक पॉइंट चेक
बैक पॉइंट चेक करता है
पॉइंट में मार्क करेगा, फ्रंट पॉइंट मार्क करेगा।
अच्छा ठीक है
लाइन अपना सीधा आएगा नहीं,
ठीक है
टेढ़ा हुआ है,
ठीक है ठीक
वो
है
दिखाएगा।
ठीक है ठीक है एक्चुअली ये पूरा ड्रिलिंग का जो कंट्रोल जो होते हैं ये लोकेटर के हाथ में है। ये लोकेटर जो बोलेगा कैसे करने का कितना डीप करने का है ये लोकेटर का हाथ में होता है ओके यही है दिस लोकेटर हैव द फुल कंट्रोल फुल पावर ही विल बी टेलिंग टू द थ्रू दिस वायरलेस ही विल बी टेलिंग टू द ऑपरेटर हाउ लॉन्ग हाउ डेप्थ हाउ विच डायरेक्शन वी शुड हैव टू डू so with that way he will do so he's just blindly just operating the machine that's all but here is the locator who can see under how long how direction which direction like this he is controlling he know how it's going how pilot is going how it should come so with his commands he will be just operating so this part I think you will be getting clear so it's too hot here see, the people are asking for water so that much hot is there I don't know maybe one more month this much garmi this much hot will be here the summer season will complete after that maybe this winter climate will start means that will be good but in this hot summer it's very difficult for us to work at least for us to stay here it is so difficult actually so people who are working is very much difficult okay you should have to pardon me about my English maybe it's not good so you should have to pardon me just adjust okay this much only I just know so I just want to so many civil engineers so many supervisors who just passing out or who that just don't know they are just theoretically know about the HDD horizontal direction drilling HDD so these people can like they can understand how these things are going so I choose this HDD because it's too small like so we will there won't be any much time is not getting lagged that's the reason I choose this HDD it's just small how much meter कितना मीटर का है ये DD टोटल
ये 32
मीटर है सो हाँ वो बहुत लंबा HDD भी है 300 मीटर है हाँ ये 300 मीटर का भी है लाइक 300 मीटर टू लॉन्ग मे बी 1 or 2 3 days it will
शर्मा को लेके आएगा शर्मा उधर है वेल्डिंग कर रहा है
किधर है
सेट ऑफिस में
सेट ऑफिस में 2 मिनट ये पहुंचने के लिए 2 मिनट में जा रहा है उसके साथ 2 मिनट जाएगा और रिपोर्ट भेज जाएगा मुश्किल है ना 2 मिनट ये अभी पहुंच रहा है
बस 10 मिनट है
हाँ कोई बात नहीं ये हम वीडियो बनाए आपको भी इसमें डालता है वीडियो आपको भी निकालता है ठीक है ये हमारा इधर का मुंह दिखा दो हाँ ये हमारा फॉरमैन है ये रूट का पूरा फॉरमैन यही है ये इसका मतलब ये पूरा रूट का फॉरमैन यही है ये इन लोगों सब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है ये सब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो ये पूरा काम ये रूट के लिए करता है ये रूट का हिसाब से मतलब ये 30 मीटर का HDD इन लोगों करता है ये हमारा रूट का फॉरमैन है ये एक्चुअली कंट्रोल करता है इधर इन लोगों का जो काम पे पूरा हेल्प चाहिए सब कुछ के लिए सब कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इसका हाथ में सब कुछ जो चाहिए इन लोगों को, कुछ भी चाहिए, हेल्प चाहिए, सब कुछ के लिए अरेंज करते ये फोरमैन है। इन लोगों को जस्ट HDD करके जस्ट पहुंचने वाला है। जस्ट पायलट इज़ गोइंग टू कम आउट विद इन जस्ट 5 or 10 minutes, so that we will just stop. Like I know this is too lengthy, but I am not I'm taking this all way because I just want to make clear that this will be understandable, like normal people now. These people have to be understand in a very good manner. See, they are just checking it again and again. So I am not stopping it until I need to fulfill my video also, so that when this pilot is just coming out, I'll be happy that I can I will be able to acquire all the video, all the part, so that I may fulfill my like wish that I can show you how this pilot is coming. After that, these people will be doing this pipe pulling and all. This is another matter. I just want to, in this video only, I am just showing you how they are doing this pilot. If you like, please comment, so that more videos like pipe pulling and another videos I can just show you. All other things I can show you. I need your support actually. Just tell your friends also, just subscribe and like, so that in this hot summer, see, I am just sacrificing it for yourself, so just understand my sacrifice also. So that just give like, comment and just give subscription. Okay, so that I'll be getting motivated to do more videos. So I think again it like, see, it's like more than 40 degrees Celsius right now. It's morning 9 o'clock only, and I'm just getting panting, and my water is also completed. All time I am just keeping one bottle water, but see, this one, it's already completed, like it's already finished. So I have to search here, because if I am going to purchase water from these shops, so that all my salary will be going like this, like more than half salary it will go just for the water only. So I'm not purchasing it. Already I have no problem. If I have real need, maybe I will purchase. That's another matter. You know, here it's like 1 liter water. This water is more. What to tell? Okay, petrol is cheaper than water. I'm not getting that point right now in my mind. Petrol is cheaper than water actually. I think water have like from for 1 liter like more than 2 dirham or 3 dirham like that, and petrol having 1 liter like 1.25 something. So that means this is cheaper, and water is costlier. Yeah, some kind of issue have happened. I don't know. Again, I have to pause because this lengthy video will make you people like getting bored. Even my voice is not, I think, enough for you to just hear. But I'm thinking some kind of issues have happened. It's just got stuck again. So I leave it. I will just pause it again, so that when it comes, maybe I will make the record on. Otherwise, see, operator also came out. Operator also came out and telling that some kind of issues that I cannot operate. I don't know. Okay, I am just pausing it for your convenience. Okay, they again started. Actually, what happened that they did a hole for doing this borehole, so that through that one this bentonite solution just came out. That's why they stopped, though, because if it comes too much, it will go to the road and this RTF fines may come. That's the reason they just stopped and just closed those boreholes, and now they again started, and See, it's going to come out. See, it's already started. So within just within 1 or 2 minutes, like I think, yeah, it will come out if nothing, no other any problems will be there means. See, so it just came towards here. So for a clear view, I will stay here. एक मिनट. So I know this video is too lengthy, but for a better knowledge, for a better understanding, I think this video is worthy. So this first thing in the HD, like first part, like doing this pilot.
मेरे सामने नहीं बोलो, वो पानी
पूरा इधर आ जाएगा. नहीं, वो थोड़ा होल होएगा ना, फिर निकलेगा ना. सही, आपका बात सही है बिल्कुल. हाँ. So this foreman give advice that while this emerging out now, this pilot, this all water will come, so it may splash in our mobile and this face or something. So he is give good advice that just be in the side, not in the X side front. So it's also a good idea. So any of the new managers or engineers or some supervisor, somebody who is going to stand in front of that to see what is coming out. So this good advice from our foreman that it will come to our face and it will get make our face and mobile and everything messy. This Mr. Idris. So Mr. Idris, he is our helper. He is a good guy. Idris bhai, YouTube में डालेगा. साइड में ओके मैं वो आएगा, भागेगा. चुप. ये सबसे मेन फॉरमैन है, देखो. ये बहुत हंसता है, देखो. एक इसको शर्म आ रहा है. सब्र करो. So we can hear that sound. Just concentrate. We can hear that sound. It's just getting bored. Yeah. And those see those sand is just falling down, because that means the vibration is there. That vibration is there, and these vibrations are making those small little sand make fall down. So it's I think you can clearly see this one. Oh, it's too much hot here. Oh, my legs are getting burned, you know. पैर पूरा जल रहा है ना. पैर पूरा जल रहा है गर्मी की वजह से. ये शूज ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है लगता है. So it's just the end part. Let's start again. 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, it's just coming out. We can hear the sound, and those things are just those sands are getting fall down. See? Oh. सही. कैसे इधर टली आने दो. See, it's coming like, I don't know, like a snake or something like that. See, it's coming. See, this pilot come out. Okay, this is the last. Okay, thank you for watching, my dear friends. Yeah, this is the pilot. Thank you.